Welcome to the Wishart Library online tutorial series at Algoma University. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to write an annotated bibliography. So what is an annotated bibliography? Many professors include an assignment for an annotated bibliography as part of their coursework. Like any other bibliography, an annotated bibliography provides citations to books, journal articles, and other materials such as trade publications, government documents, archival materials, and so forth. However, unlike other bibliographies, an annotated bibliography contains annotations. An annotation is a short paragraph that provides additional information about the source being cited. These annotations are descriptive and critical. They present the strengths and weaknesses of the source being cited. They comment on the relevance of the source to the field, and usually contain a rationale for their inclusion in your bibliography. For example, you might include a source because it presents an alternative approach to that of another author used in your paper. In terms of their length, they are typically 125 to 250 words in length, or no more than one paragraph. So what is the difference between an annotation and an abstract? Abstracts are summaries of a source, and they also tend to be in that 125 to 250 word length. Generally, you'll find an abstract for a journal article in a scholarly database or at the very beginning of an article. Abstracts are typically written by the author, so they are not critical of the source. Students who rely heavily on abstracts to write their annotations run the risk of being accused of plagiarism, since paraphrasing an abstract is a form of plagiarism, and it's one that's very easy to spot. In order to avoid such charges, students should read the article through first and write their annotation on the basis of their own assessment of that source. So why write an annotated bibliography? It's true that annotated bibliographies require a great deal of effort, but they serve a purpose. Annotated bibliographies let others know what the key sources are on a particular topic, and by conducting your research early on, you have an opportunity to review the literature and see how different sources will fit together to shape your final research paper. If you only do a quick literature search without doing a review of the individual sources, you may not realize what your sources actually contain until it's too late in the research process. Your annotations should guide you as you conduct your research because they'll let you know early on where the gaps lie. So where to begin your research? Why not at the library? You can start with the subject guides available on the library website, visit us in person at the reference desk, send us an email at reference@algomau.ca, or chat with us online at Ask Algoma. You can also call us at 705-949-2301, extension 4619. The staff at the Wishart Library are always happy to help, so let us know how we can be of assistance to you in your research.